Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to repot a Philodendron Moonlight. The Philodendron Moonlight is a hybrid variety of philodendron that has light green foliage. When new leaves emerge, they are a bright yellow and green chartreuse color. You can see the roots on this plant right here. It definitely is time to repot. I really wanted to repot my philodendron into a pot that was short and wide just because of the way that this actual plant grows. I was having a hard time trying to find a nursery pot that would fit the new pot that I bought. So what I did was I just cut it down and it actually fits perfect. The soil mixture I made for this is 3 parts soil, 3 part orchid bark, 2 part perlite, and 1 part peat moss. The drainage holes on this pot are way too big. To ensure proper drainage while maintaining all soil in place, I'm going to cover each hole with a small rock. And that is how you repot a Philodendron Moonlight. If you enjoyed this video, please like, follow, and subscribe.